In the energy quadrant today, taking a look at natural gas. The June natural gas is now up 3 of the last 4 sessions and 8 of the last 11. And since the minor swing low on May 1st, natural gas has risen 29.3%. Also, from the approximately 30-year low on April 25th, natural gas is up 57.3%. And on a weekly basis, nat gas is still working on its 4th consecutive week of higher prices, and this week is the second strongest of those 4 on a percentage basis. The high today, 2.575, up 6.58%. The low, 2.389, down 1.12%, and we're finishing the day pretty close to those lows. We're going to have mild temps going forward across the country, and that's going to keep natural demand low as we go through that. There's a little bit of cooling that's going on in Texas by a few degrees, which has some rain tracking through. But after that, the southern 1/3 of the U.S. is going to be very warm to hot, with temperatures in the 80s and the 90s, and some southwest regions reaching the 100s. But the northern 2/3 of the U.S. is going to be comfortable, with highs from 60 degrees to 80 degrees, offsetting that excessive air conditioning demand from the southern states and keeping demand in that low range, yet out of that very low range. So there is going to be some consumption, but not as much as it could be if the northern U.S. wasn't going to be so comfortable. We also had the EIA report today, and the natural gas storage report, which is a weekly report, printed a build of 70 billion cubic feet, smaller than market expectations of 75 billion cubic feet, and smaller than the 5-year average of 90 billion cubic feet for this time of year, which decreased surpluses to 620 billion cubic feet, and it also increased supplies from 2,563 to 2,633 billion cubic feet.